Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. So today is that day that I was talking about the surprise. We're gonna go call the guy right now. Oh shit, let me put on my book bag. Alright. So I'll see you by the way guys, check out my new rap song. Link in the description. You know. Yeah, I'm gonna be in the car right now, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm in the car. I think it could fit there. I think the bike can fit there. Sorry my energy is low. I just woke up. But yeah, we're gonna go pick this bike up. Alright guys, so my dad went to the bank right now. I might spray ground book bag. You know the vibes. Oh shit. Spray ground book bag. There's me. And yeah, that's where the that's where the quad bike is basically gonna go, like there. That's enough space. Like guys, like this minivan has enough space to like carry like a little dirt bike and like a little quad bike. But if it's like a 100 or an 85 or like a 250 or like a 150 or like a 450, hell no, dude. Like it cannot carry that bike because I think it could, but like you need to like take the wheels off in order for it to fit, and that's a lot of effort. So yeah, but we all like stuff the easy way. But yeah guys, I'll see you once when we're picking up the bike now. So yeah guys, so we're picking up the bike right now. Nice ass views. Picking it up. So yeah, I'll be right back. So guys, the bike is here. We're moving all these stuff so we can take it out. I'll be right back when we take it out. So yeah.
Pero le pones clutch. Sí, pero cuando pongas clutch no le des gasolina. Pones clutch cuando ya
There's the
prenda.
bike.
Entonces uno
We're gonna take it home. I'll see you guys at the car. Guys, we picked up the bike. Yeah, those stuff. Yeah, we're about to put it in. We're about to put it in the car. And yeah, and drive back home. So yeah, that's gonna be the thumbnail for the video. But yeah guys, I'll be right back. So guys, pretty much we have the bike in the back. So yeah, right now we're gonna go buy gas because it doesn't have gas. There was one tire that there wasn't air, but it didn't have a flat, like it didn't have any holes or nothing. The bike is in the back. The mission was a success. So we're just gonna buy the gas and we're gonna like charge the battery so I can start it up because it's an electric start. So yeah, I'll basically be right back once I get home. Alright guys, so right now we're charging the battery because the battery is dead. It is gas, by the way, but like the battery for like the starter, like the battery of the starter, like it's charging pretty much. But yeah, here's the bike and everything, and it's lit. Yeah, we have gas in here. Oh, shit. Yeah. Yeah, get the gas in there. Your heart. Like wasn't you like take this off, the top off, and it leaks like gas. So yeah, guys, basically, this is a lit bike. Yaha. I got the key also. But yeah, be right back after it charges. Guys, we came back from AutoZone. We bought the battery, the new battery. Here's the bike. It's gonna be lit. So yeah, we're gonna attach the battery on the quad. And we lit. So yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the end of the vlog. I didn't roll it. We got the new battery. I didn't roll it because this thing that connects to the battery and plug with the quad bike, it was in the old battery. So tomorrow there's gonna be a part 2. There's gonna be a part 2 ignore the background noise. There's going to be a part 2 of the dirt bike. So yeah guys, also I'm on positive, and yeah, check out the description, check out my new rap song, link in the description. And yeah, tomorrow there's gonna be a part 2. So let's say I'm on positive. Yeah, peace. Roll the outro.